Hi everyone, welcome to V2V channel. So we already completed some quantitative and reasoning topics. So those information available at our channel playlist. And you can share these video to the maximum number of people. It's really helpful to them. For more updates, please follow my page V2V on Telegram and Instagram. Let's go to the topic. Okay, next model of questions in blood relations, pointing or introducing a person. See, if you want to solve these questions, we need to learn a basic relations. So who are new to this video, go through my previous 2 videos related to the blood relation. If you want links, those links are available in description. Clear? Okay, let's see the question. See, pointing a woman. So a person pointing a woman in a photograph. See, there is a photograph. The photograph, a woman is there. And so this person, a man says, she is the photographic person, she is the mother or father of my wife's only son. So if you want to solve these type of question, first observe the my statement. Why? Because my always refer who says the statement. Clear? Who says the statement. This is the important term to solve these type of questions. Clear? See. For women and men says the statement means my can be referred as man. Then see, read the line. She is the mother or father of man's wife only son. So for this type of question, divided the statement into before my, after my. Then read the line. See, my wife's only son. He said that my, so myself, I am having a wife having a only son. My wife's son related to my son. See, my wife's only son. The answer is my son. Then these line you can connect it with the previous term. The previous term says that father of my son. See, father of my son is related to the myself. So myself means these term related for man. Then you can read the line. She is the mother of myself. Means woman is the mother of man. Then here question, how is man related to the woman? Woman is mother of man, man related to woman is a son. So the answer is equal to son. See, go to the second question. Pointing a woman in a photograph, a man says, she is the mother of my daughter-in-law's husband only son's father. See, I just separated statement before my, after my. I just read these lines. See, my daughter-in-law, who I can call as a my daughter-in-law? My son's wife is my daughter-in-law. My daughter-in-law's husband means my son. So my son only son is my grandson. So my grandson's father is my son. Then you can connect these lines. She is the mother of my son. means she is my wife. Then here my question, how is woman related to the man? Woman related to the man is a wife. That is your answer. Next statement, see. Pointing to a Ramesh in the photograph, Sita says, he is the means Ramesh is the father of my only daughter-in-law's father-in-law. First, identify answer of these particular statement. Okay, see, my only daughter-in-law means my son's wife. So my son's wife is my only daughter-in-law. Only means I have only one son. Then see, my only daughter-in-law's father-in-law. See, my son's wife father-in-law is my husband. See, this is my answer, my husband. Then you can read the line. See, he is the means Ramesh. See, Ramesh is the father of my husband. Ramesh is the father of my husband means Ramesh related to Sita is father-in-law. So the answer is equal to father-in-law. Let's see the next question. See, pointing to a Nihash in a photograph, Lasya says, he is the only son of only daughter-in-law of my only son's father. See, same I just separated my statement here. For this one, my only son's father, my only sons, I have a only son, that son having a father. My son's father is my husband. So this line answer is my husband. Then these statement you can connect it with my husband. See, only daughter-in-law of my husband. The daughter-in-law of husband means son's wife. So daughter-in-law of my husband means, so she is definitely my son's wife. Clear? Then you can connect these statement into these lines. See, he is the only son of my son's wife. See, only son of my son's wife means he is my grandson. So he is my grandson. If woman related to the man means that is grandmother. Then check it out the question. See, how is Neha's means how is man related to the woman? So man related to the woman means answer is equal to grandson. We see the next question. See, pointing to a Srinu in photograph, Kavya says, he is the father-in-law of wife of only grandson of my father-in-law. See, my father-in-law is my father-in-law. See, statement, grandson of my father-in-law. Grandson of my father-in-law means the grandson of father-in-law is my son. Then you can read line these to these ones. See, wife of only my son. My wife's only son is my daughter-in-law. Then he is the father-in-law of my daughter-in-law. See, my daughter-in-law having a father-in-law. My daughter-in-law's father-in-law definitely related to myself is a husband. Clear? Then see, he can be called as a Srinu and my can be called as a Kavya. Then see, okay, see, then you can place a C by the Srinu, my by the Kavya. Then read the line. See, Kavya's father-in-law. Kavya having a father-in-law. Grandson of Kavya's father-in-law means Kavya's son. Wife only of Kavya's son means Kavya's daughter-in-law. So Srinu is the father-in-law of Kavya's daughter-in-law means Srinu related to Kavya is a husband. Question C. Pointing to his son's portrait, a man said to woman, he is the son of only daughter of the wife of your father. See, there is a conversation between man and woman towards his son's portrait. His son's portrait means man's son's portrait. See, here he can be indicated man son's portrait. The person in the photo indicated as a he. Here your can be indicated as woman. Then read the line. See, wife of woman father. Woman having a father. Woman father having a wife. So wife of woman father exactly equal to woman mother. So woman mother. Then read the line this one. Only daughter of woman mother. Woman mother having a only daughter. Only daughter of woman mother is a woman. Then see, man's son's portrait is the son of woman. See, the portrait person is also son of woman and portrait person is also son of man. The relation between man and woman is a husband and a wife relation. Then here my question, how is woman related to the man? Woman related to the man, answer is equal to wife. See the next question. Introducing a man to her husband, woman said, his can be referred as a man. See, his brother's father is the only son of my. So my can be indicated woman. My grandfather. So who is means, so the who always referred previous term. So who is father-in-law of my mother? Then how is woman related to the man? See, man having a brother having a father. Father is the only son. See, father is the only son of my grandfather. See, my grandfather means there is a difference of 2 generations. That's why I can take it as my be the aside. Then see, who is means the grandfather. The grandfather is father-in-law of my mother. So my mother's father-in-law. My mother's father-in-law means this is the diagram. So my mother's father-in-law means definitely these all the persons are same family. Then see, this is the man and this is the my. My can be referred as woman. Then here my question, how is woman related to the man? Woman related to the man is a own sister. So answer is a sister. One more question. How is my father's daughter's mother's only daughter-in-law related to my wife's son? First see, my wife's son is my son. Then read the first line. See, my father's daughter's mother's only daughter-in-law. See, my father's daughter is my sister. My sister's mother is my mother. Then see, my mother's only daughter-in-law only means my mother having a only son, that is myself only. See, my mother's only daughter-in-law is my wife. Then see, for these entire line, my answer is equal to my wife. Then read the line. See, my wife is related to my son. My wife is related to my son is a mother. So answer is a mother. Question. How is my brother's son sister related to my mother's husband? See, my mother's husband is my father. So this is the answer. Then this, what is the answer for this one? See, my brother's son sister. My brother's son. See, my brother's son is my nephew. See, my nephew's sister is my niece. Then see, my niece related to my father. My niece related to my father is a granddaughter. So answer is a granddaughter. The next one. Introducing a man, a woman said, he is the son of my mother's son. Same thing, see. Here my can be referred as woman. Here he can be referred as man. Then see, my mother's son. My mother's mother is my grandmother. My grandmother's son is my uncle. If you want to clear information, he is my maternal uncle. Why? Because this person related to my mother. See, my maternal uncle. He is the son of my uncle. See, my uncle's son always related to myself is a cousin. So, he is related to myself is a cousin. These are the different questions related for pointing or introducing a person. Thank you.